What is going on, guys? This is how you get start off code for your Python projects or your coding projects. It's easier. You get start off code, and you could just think of ideas you want to do and just propose them, and you'll get the code. Makes it a lot easier. I have one idea here. Prototype. Black Ops 2 Dead Ops Arcade prototype. Made with Pygame. I would want it to be in a static room. Small circles. Small greens. Small blue. Represents the survivor. Red circles represent the zombies. When one touches you, you lose health. The zombies will try to come after you and touch you, but you have a gun to shoot them, kill them, and protect yourself. Zombie round. This is a dumbed down version. No rounds are in this version. It's just one round. How long you can survive. Zombies spawn infinitely. Code me this. You could say code me this in C++ or whatever, but we were using Python this whole time, so the AI understands what kind of code I need. Cool. When there's a mistake like this, the code came in separate sections and destroyed the structure of the code. Hard to read. Send it again in one block. pretty complex. Let's just test it out. It's not gonna work. This is how I wrote all my programs, my Python projects on my Ariana Nation channel. This channel. You'll get starter code like this. You'll get basic code like this that you could fix up, and this is for programmers and stuff, advanced users and beginners alike. You could get code like this to fix up and stuff and start you off in your idea. It'll give you a basic framework, an empty canvas. DevOps. Try it. Cool. DevOps Arcade. That's how you get your your gaming projects. That's how you get your projects. This is how you play zombies. Just train them around, go through the spaces. Little zombies tutorial. Train them, make them into a train. This is how you get beginner code, start off code. I'm going to propose this. I'll take a quick look at the code and propose this as a DevOps Arcade project. Here's a quick code, down up. Pie game, simple. How you get start off code. This is also a DevOps Arcade project you can do. Python project. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.